Hey YouTube, Danthemancollections here with another video. Today I've got myself a Riolu blister pack. So got this from my local shop. Just going to get this open. So we've got a Zekrom pack. A Regigigas pack. A Reshiram pack, and then we have our Riolu promo. And finally our Muna coin. So start off with our Reshiram pack. Got our code card. And then we've got Muna, Litwick, LGM, Pampor, C-Dot, Riolu reverse. I forgot to do the card trick, and our rare is a Lucario Holo, and then Hippowdon, Raichu, and Pokemon Center. And then we've got a Regigigas pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we've got Darumaka, Pampor, LGM, Kricketot, Riolu, Double Colourless Energy, Lapras, Heavy Ball. Our reverse is a Simisage, and our rare is a Luxray Holo. So that's pretty cool to get in 2 holos. Finally, our Zekrom pack. And we've got our code card. And we've got Growlithe, Shinx, Vanillite, Blitzel, Fungus, Emolga, Powdon, Lapras, Basculin is our reverse, and our rare is a Persian. So not too bad there, guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye.